Hey folks, it's Vic Noble here with your weekly trade example for the week ending February the 24th of 2012. You won't believe what I just did. I just recorded this trade live for you and realized that the recording was not even on. I'd set up the recording, but I had not started the recording, and I sat there talking away all to myself without even recording it. But anyway, here's what happened. The daily chart here has come up to this level of old support, now resistance, 38% retracement of this big swing here. And on the 4-hour chart, we have this divergence setting up like a head and shoulders top. You see, we have the price going higher, but the MACD going lower, and this big drop and rally back up into here. This is a really good place to sell up in here. That we kind of teach a specific way to do that in the coach's corner. And on the 1-hour chart, though, what was interesting is I'll just go back to here for a minute. On this potential right shoulder of a head and shoulders top, like this would be the head, the left shoulder, and then the possible right shoulder. What was happening on that is on the 1-hour chart, we have divergence on that. So price is going higher, MACD is going lower, another qualified setup, and I sold it. This line here is exactly where I sold it, 132.72, and I've taken some profit already. I just did this, well, I did it in my account, but I did it in a demo account to show everybody. What I did here is I sold it at 132.72. You can see it right here, and my stop is now at break even, and I had a 5 lot initially. I took 2 of them off for a 20 pip profit. So I have a funded position right now. And I've got a limit in at 132.03. It's at the figure plus some spread. And just because I don't, you don't get picky about the last little pip out of these things. Why did I pick 32.03? Well, because and I'm just going to leave this, and I'm going to have to cap off the recording because it's getting late and I have to go do other things. But I chose it because of, pretty obviously, this is a level of old support at the figure. And the figure is always a good place to watch. So, I mean, this trade actually has the potential to go a heck of a lot lower, by the way. I'm taking this as a day trade. I'm just illustrating this for you, and you can certainly leave this for a bigger profit if you want to go for that. This is now a set and forget for me, basically, because I might look at it later and move my stop down a bit if I get to it. But right now I've got a funded trade. I've made a bit of money on it, and I can just leave it now and go about my day. And very nice level to have sold at up here. You might notice it's about the same level as the left shoulder high, which it's nice to get these symmetrical patterns like this. They can be quite good. So that's it. I apologize for not getting that recording live for you, because I actually showed it before. As price was going up here, I showed you that I was going to sell it up here, and I had a limit order in to sell it, and I did, and that's the trade that you just saw in my dealing station. Just to let you know, this is going to be the last weekly trade example until March the 16th, because I'm going to be away for a little bit. And so, if you have time, go back over some of the prior weekly trade examples. There's some good information that I think can be quite helpful for you. It's all good free information, and I really hope that it can be beneficial for you. We go over all this stuff in the Coach's Corner a lot, so it's stuff that you can get a bit of a handle on, and help you out with your trading. So anyway, you guys have a good couple of weeks ahead here. I'm looking forward to getting back and getting more weekly trade examples for you. It'll be March the 16th will be your next weekly trade example. Alrighty, thanks so much. I appreciate you guys getting these weekly trade examples. If there's ever anything that you want me to show, just let me know. Okay, take care, you guys. We'll see you in a few weeks.